knew this, but I wrote a book. Actually, I've written several books, and I just finished a new book that I wrote. The first book that I wrote it a couple years ago, and it was a fiction novel that it's called Within Dreams. You can buy it on Amazon if you want, but Frisbee is a main character in that book. So I had a lot of fun writing that. Wasn't the best writing in the world, but it was a fun story. It's got horses and romance and aliens, you know, the standard stuff. And then I dabbled in writing a book of how to build horse jumps. And it was okay. You can find that one on Amazon too. But it wasn't exactly what I wanted to create. So then I got really creative and put a lot of time and energy into a book. And it's this one right here. It's called Building Your Own Jumps and Jump Courses at Home. So it basically walks you through everything that I do on my YouTube channel, showing you how to build horse jumps, talking about jump cups, just, you know, everything I pretty much show you guys on my YouTube channel. And yes, you can buy this on Amazon too. Almost 300 pages of jump building. Pretty proud of this book. And all of the pictures on the cover are jumps I actually built. So that was pretty fun. And the latest book that I've written is called How to Build a Simple Horse Jump. And the best part about this book is that you can get it for free. Because seeing me go through the steps of building the jumps here on my YouTube channel through my videos, it gives you a good understanding, but it doesn't give you a complete understanding of the entire jump building process. So what I did was break it down into very simple step-by-step instructions of how you can build a simple horse jump. And like I said, the best part of this book is you can get it for free. All you have to do is go to my website, budgetequestrian.com, and you'll see on the sidebar, there's a little link. It says, get your free ebook on how to build a horse jump. And I'll also leave a link in the description down below, so you can link directly to it and get your book. There isn't any cost involved. The only thing that I do ask is for your email address. Not that I'm really going to be doing anything with that. Eventually, maybe in the future, but for now I just want to see how many people would like to get this information. It's not a huge book, it's like 35 pages or something long, but it started out as a blog post and then it got a little bit longer and a little bit longer. So I thought, why not just make a book that I can share with everyone, showing them how to make jumps. And if you're just getting started into building your own jumps, or you're thinking you'd like to, and then you go see how much jumps cost, I think this would be a really helpful tool for you to have, and it's something that's free, so that's even better. So if you'd like to learn more on how you can get this book, just go to my website or click the link down below. And if you wanted to check out my fiction novel on Frisbee and the aliens, you can go to Amazon and find it over there. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture at the end of this video. You can subscribe to my channel and watch me build all these different jumps and lots of other horse related information. Again, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride.